Le indlela ezongezelela kuleza abakhweli abazisebenzisako kanti nalabo abakhubazekileko akhange bavalelwe ngaphandle.
We have been waiting for this day for too long, but today it says to us there's now a light on the other side of the tunnel. We see that what we have been dreaming of is happening.
Yonake izokwaziwa ngeline 2B.
It gives me great pleasure to know that this launch includes new features designed to assist passengers with disabilities. The new unique features are in the form of two universally accessible mobile units for ticket selling and the information center.
Inhlangano zamateksi ezilayitshela ngapho zivumile ukuthi imbhesi zingayisebenzisa indlela le. Imbhesi ze-Arieng zathoma ukusebenza ngo-2014. Umasipalata weTshwane sekasebenzisa imali ebalelwa ku-8.6 billion yamaranda solo kwathoma iprojekthi le. Lokhu ingcenye yehlelo lenarha lekambiso yentuthu ezihlanganyelweko khulukhulu emadrobheni anesiphithiphithi senkoloyi kunye nokuminyana. Indlela eMamelodi ngiyo ezokulandela.